how to use Grok 3. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use Grok 3. So let's get started. First, open your preferred browser. In the search bar, type grok3.ai and press enter. You'll see several links appear. Look for the one that takes you to the official website, which is x.ai. Click on it and you'll be directed to the home page introducing Grok 3. Once you're there, click on the Try Now button. Next, click on Sign In at the top right corner. You may be asked to verify you're human, just complete the verification. Then, choose one of the login options, continue with X Twitter, Google, or Apple. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password to log in. After signing in, you'll land on the main dashboard. At the bottom of the screen, there's a prompt box where you can type your question or request. Above it, you'll find a drop-down menu to select between Grok 3 or Grok 2. You can also enable extra features like storage, web browsing, deep search, or even think more depending on your needs. You can also attach files to help Grok understand better. Once you've typed your prompt, click the arrow icon to submit. Within seconds, Grok3.ai will generate a response. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.